welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Glad to see you. Hope you stick around. Today, we're going to ask you to like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below and get notifications. And I've got a giveaway going on right now for my 1,200 subscribers. It ends on Monday, the 18th of January. So you have until then to enter, and the winner will be drawn that morning. So go ahead, check that video out. And today we are going to unbox January's base box. Usually I get my premium before the base box, but today I got the base box. Every beat box. I love it. I love the sound of a cardboard and scissors meeting. Cracking the tape wide open. And this is what it looks like this month. There's a card. Let me put my spectacles on, because stuff is sometimes very small in the printing world. Oh, I look cute. I love these glasses. And I'm sure that I look cute because I have confidence. And we have 5 things in here. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, 5 things. And I'm going to just pull them out. This is the first thing I'm pulling out. It's the Bali Balm, Sweet Orange and Coconut. I love a lip balm. Lip balms are fantastic. And this one says, essential oils of sweet orange and coconut give this lip balm its citrusy, tropical aroma and silky smooth consistency. Sweet orange is packed with vitamin C, which is known to even skin tones and protect against free radicals. Coconut is a natural emollient that moisturizes for soft, supple lips. $33. Did I mention that this is a $25 a month monthly box? And then you can also get the premium box, which is a little fancier box with more products for $35 a month. And then every quarter you can upgrade to Boxy Luxe for $49.99. It's a beautiful package, but I've got so many lip balms. I don't care if it's $1 or $33. If you've got a lot of lip balms, you got a lot of lip balms. But it is the season, so I can't get mad at that. It is nice. It's pretty packaging. I'm not going to open it in case I put it in giveaway. I don't want to taint it with my chemicals. Next thing, ooh, heavy. This is what made the box heavy. It is the Pharmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. An oil-free and silicone-free daily moisturizer delivers lightweight and lasting hydration without leaving the skin feeling greasy. This vegan cruelty-free formula contains hydrolonic acid and a blend of phytonutrients known to help clear pores and reduce shine. Let's take a look. Pharmacy is like fantastic quality stuff. I've never tried anything by the Pharmacy that I have not loved. This box is like Fort Knox. And I would know because Fort Knox is in Kentucky, as am I. And that means it's hard to get into, because they used to store all the gold in Fort Knox, but I think they moved it around since then. A beautiful glass jar. Ooh, tight lid. I can tell I'm the first. I'm the first to touch this jar and open it as I am. Ooh, it's a really cool green color. I thought the jar was just tinted green. Let me put a little on my hand. I'm obviously going to keep this since I just dipped in and then dipped back on my skin and put it back together. It's very light. It's got a citrusy smell to it. It smells very clean. All the things you would want. And let's take a look at the back here. It says, this refreshing formula contains a blend of moringa water. It took me a second. It's like, what? Moringa water, papaya, and willow herb phytonutrients known to help reduce shine and clear pores of dirt and impurities. And then powerful marriage. Did you all ever see that movie? Marriage. Never mind. Powerful moisturizer magnets hydrolonic and polyglutamine acids hydrate skin. Ideal for combination and oily. Very nice. I'm really excited about this. This is $38, which is only $5 more than this lip balm. And I've got a calculator. I like to keep a running tab, so let's just see the value of the box. All right, we're at 71 so far. Next we have a box favorite, Dr. Brandt DNA. Ooh, no, it's not what we can tell your heritage from and your background, but it's the Do Not Age with Dr. Brandt Triple Peptide Eye Cream. And let's see what it says. This deeply hydrating peptide powered serum cream helps diminish all signs of aging around the delicate eye area, including lines and wrinkles, dark circles, and puffiness for refreshed, younger looking eyes for all skin types. That means everybody. $82? What? Dr. Brandt is expensive. $82. Let's take a look at this $82 eye cream. Eye creams can get really pricey, and Dr. Brandt is a brand that is kind of up there price-wise. And it's a good size tube because you only need the tiniest bit of eye cream to go a long way. And I've heard good stuff. Let me see. I'm holding it up. It's pretty full. It's pretty full. So, not too shabby. I can always use another eye cream, even though I literally have a stack of 7 eye creams right now. An 8th one is welcome, especially at that value. And this is what I chose for, ooh, it's all swirly. It's like one of those ocean toys. Ooh, look at it go. You can play with this. If you do the medicinal weed, you might really enjoy that for a few minutes. I'm easily entertained and not on the medicinal weed, but I find it entertaining already. Okay, let's stop playing with it. Stop playing with it, Rhonda. Just talk about it. Okay, and this is the Avant Skincare Biphase Hydrolonic Acid Rejuvenating Micellar Water. And infused with replenishing ingredients, the Biphase Hydrolonic Acid Rejuvenating Micellar Water presents a oil phase aiming to instantly dissolve resilient and waterproof makeup, and a micellar water phase working to capture impurities. It dissolves makeup without rubbing or rinsing. $90. That's insane. But I think you have to shake it up to get it to work. I'm trying to read this little, I mean, it's like micro print. It's like the teeniest, tiniest. Usage. I'm pretty sure you shake before you use it, so that way it all mixes together so the oil can be with the rest of the micellar water. But it's very pretty and a great toy for the kids. And we have the last but not least, not what I was hoping for. I do have to say I'm disappointed to get this, even though I'm sure it's lovely. I really wanted the olive palette from Violet Voss, but I got the Ciate London Velvet Eyeshadow Palette. Create molten metal and matte looks with this palette, featuring a mix of hyper metallic soft shimmers and velvety smooth mattes. The innovative powder formula delivers high pigment with super soft application. $30. Oh, that's wrong. Let me add this up again. And then, well, let's look at this and then I'll add it up again. Because I hit something and it said $500. And no, it's probably a $300 box this month, which is great for $25 value. Oh man, Fort Knox boxes all day. Fort Knox boxes all day. It is a very nice matte plastic and a shiny back. It is the Velvet palette. And it is very pretty. It is not anything I'm excited about, but it's very pretty. I'm not going to swatch it because it's probably going to get traded or in a giveaway, but it's very pretty. Those shivers look really good. Maybe I'll play with it. Who knows? You know, I get a little snobby about stuff, and I want what I want when I want it. But this is not a bad box. So let's recap. Let's add this up in a way that I don't screw it up on the calculator. 30, 38, plus 90, plus 82, plus 33. $273 worth of a box for $25, which is amazing. Because if you like this palette, it takes care of the box itself. So you get this palette. We get the cool water treat. We get the eye cream. We get the face moisturizer. And we get the lip balm. So that is great. $273 for 5 things. And sure, I think the value is a little jacked up on some of it. But, you know, who am I to judge? Maybe I should try it and see if it's worth it. Maybe that's a new video. Well, I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. Thanks so much for being here. We'll see you next time.